Thanks for joining me for a beer review. Today we've got a beer from Howling Hops and it's in collaboration with the Floc Brewing Project out of Margate, and this is their Gentle Storm, a double New England IPA coming in at 8.3% ABV. It's brewed with Strata, Cryo Mosaic and Simcoe hops. So yeah, fairly fresh as well. It was canned on the 11th of May. The 11th of May, 3 days ago this was canned. I actually got this in the post today. So by the time you see this, it'll be like 2 more days. So yeah, this is part of a tasting box, including a collaboration with Floc, which is just up the road from me. That's why I was quite interested to get in the box, see what they're all about. Howling Hops, I've had a fair few beers from them. Always been steady brewery for me. Yeah, so what we got in this then? What else we got? Does it say here? It's just more tasting, I don't really want that. Brewed at Howling Hops HQ with Ross from Floc Brewing Project. That's it, let's crack her open then. I didn't see too much else in the ingredients. I've got another can of this. So, I mean, this is, I don't know often I get beers that are like 3 days old. So it's uber fresh. And it come with what the box come with this old little teku here. Third of a pint teku from Howling Hops. So that's cool beans. So label out there. Oh, look at that softness coming out of there. Oh yes. Yeah, it looks smooth just coming out of there. We'll leave it like that for now. But that looks really good, I have to say. Look at that. It's a 3/4, slightly off white head, but yeah, it looks like a fruit drink, doesn't it? Proper thick haze bomb. It looks really impressive, I have to say. So we'll give it a swirl and a sniff. It's looking amazing, to be fair. That is looking very good. Oh, okay, right. It's very fresh. Getting like mango, pear drops, melon. There's a slight dankness to it. You just know looking at this and me smelling it that the mouthfeel is the first thing I'm going to be looking for. It's giving me that impression, you know. I don't know, passion fruit. Yeah, juicy orange in that. Oh, it smells amazing. But I'm also getting a little bit of potential, where it's just because I've opened the can and it's 3 days old. Is it going to be green? I'll have to wait and see. Mine's kind of working. What this is going to taste like. I'll try and picture it in my mind before I do it and then see where I'm at. Let's give it a try. I can't wait any longer. This looks great. Cheers. Well, that's so soft. That is, the mouthfeel is just like light as a feather. Why does that keep going off? It's very soft mouthfeel, pillowy. Where's the ABV in that? That's a dangerous beer. Easy drinking, 8.3% beer. It looks the business. Even just on that second pour. The bubbles in this is almost like it's pouring out. You know, stouts, you get the really tiny pat bubbles in this, like a mousse, or it's like a stout coming out of cask with a sparkler. It's got that kind of presentation to the beer. Absolutely amazing looking beer for sure. The Strata hops in this are coming through. There's a light, soft, milky kind of coconut feel to the beer, in with all these tropical goodness from the other hops as well. But the Cryo is really Mosaic. It's so smooth. I guess it's just Cryo hops as well with, I assume there's oats in this. There's got to be oats in this. A combination of them two things together, I would imagine, are creating the mouthfeel. Contains water, malt, barley, wheat, oats. Yeah, for sure. Hops and yeast for sure. Serve cold, suitable for vegans, best before sea base, which we've already said, I think. The 11th of September. Best before on this. So there's the actual logo of the breweries, and it's Floc from my neck of the woods. Very kind of I say basic, but it's one of them kind of things you can, when you get to that sort of front, you know it's a Howling Hops beer. There's a few breweries very similar kind of design. I'll shout out the artwork. Is they give it any? Doesn't really say. howlinghops.co.uk is the website. So again, all the links will be down below. But yeah, very impressive collaboration for sure. I can't believe that this is an 8.3% beer. I say it to a lot of these beers these days, but this one is. I'm really glad I've gone ahead and got the case, because it comes with 2 of them cans and a couple more from Howling Hops. So, but this is the one I was really after. So they've just Floc now. I've just started to open up a little bit more to different outlets locally as well, and more online. So that's a great thing. And hopefully, going forward, they can get their own premises. Hopefully, still locally and. But you never know, in the future they might get a tap room. That'd be awesome. But yeah, this is a great beer. I'm assuming this beer will be around after the tasting, or I'm not sure if this is just an exclusive. But Gentle Storm is definitely worth a recce out to your local bottle shops potentially and find it. I know it's at Hop Burns and Black. So I was told today on their online store. I assume it's going to be on the shelf as well if you're local to the bottle shop there, or that bottle shop. But yeah, I'm not sure if it's going out. We'll have to wait and see, because it's like 3 days in the can, so it's uber fresh. I got it today, reviewing one now, and I'm going to try and post it as soon as I can. But that is a fantastic beer for sure, and I'm really glad I've got 2. And yeah, Strata as well. Come on now. Wonderful stuff, I have to say. That's impressive. Anyway, let me know if you've had this one recently. This is Gentle Storm from Howling Hops in collaboration with Floc out of Margate in Kent. Double New England IPA, then coming at 8.3% ABV. That's a good beer. Anyway, thanks for watching then. You'll look after yourself, keep safe, and I will see you on the next video. Cheers.